Alright, time to do some work on the flywheel today. So I got this piece of mystery steel, some sort of chrome steel, but it's not terribly hard. I'm able to cut this. So this is about 1.5 inches, I think. I gotta get this turned down to 1 3/8 and a thickness of 5/16. It's got to have a 3/16 of an inch hole bored through, and I'd like to thin it out a little bit near the central portion of this. I'll leave like a little hub in the middle, and then like a little rim on the outside, you know, near the circumference. That'll be the full thickness. So alright, so let's start by getting a little facing cut on there. This is as far as I could get it into the chuck, so let's get started. Okay, 1 3/8, so it's an inch. It's a 1 1.5 thou over. And this piece is a little on the warm side, so I'm going to call that good. I cleaned up with the file a little bit, got a little bit smoother finish on that, and 11/64 drill bit. I'm going to drill in, and then come back with the 3/16 of an inch reamer. I got a high-speed tool bit in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to the finished thickness of this has to be 5/16 of an inch thick, but in the middle I want to take a little bit of that out and just leave the full thickness at the hub and at the rim. So I'm going to just take a little bit out of this. I'm going to step it down a little bit, and so I'm going to get it laid out here with some a layout die. Let's get it going here. Going to take a light cut. Alright, so I got this cut down a little bit, and now I got to bring this down to 5/16 of an inch thick, and once I do that, I'll put that same little relief in this side also. So this is a little bit difficult to hold in the chuck straight, so I just got a couple of parallels clamped up here, and this is only until I get this locked down in the chuck here. So I'm just going to keep pressure against that and snug that up. A couple of taps and tighten that. Then you make sure you take your parallels out of here, because they'll come flying out. And should be ready to go. Alright, that was the second side, and that's about it for this. Just got one more operation to do on this, and that's drill it and tap it for a set screw. We'll do that over in the mill. Alright, 540 tap, spring-loaded tap center here, and alright, just cut a little piece of 3/32 stock, and that'll act as a plunger to press up against it so the set screw doesn't have to go all the way down.